Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our class with an activity. We need 4 beakers, potassium permanganate, sodium chloride, spatulas, and water. Label the beakers as A, B, C, and D. Take the water and fill in all the 4 beakers up to 100 ml mark. Put 1 spatula of potassium permanganate in beaker A, 2 spatulas of potassium permanganate in beaker B, two different ratios of sodium chloride and potassium permanganate in beakers C and D. Now take a glass rod and stir the contents of all the 4 beakers well. You will notice the colors of mixture A is less dense than the color of mixture B. Even though the colors are different, the potassium permanganate is distributed evenly in beakers A and B and hence are called homogeneous mixtures. The mixtures in beakers C and D have different components of potassium permanganate and sodium chloride in different amounts and are not evenly distributed. These are known as heterogeneous mixtures. Now, our second activity is similar to activity 1. Even here, we need 4 beakers, potassium permanganate, copper sulfate, wheat flour, milk, spatulas, filter paper, 4 conical flasks and water. Label the beakers as A, B, C and D. Fill all the beakers with water up to 100 ml mark. Now put few crystals of copper sulfate in beaker A, 1 spatula full of potassium permanganate in beaker B, 1 full spatula of wheat flour in beaker C and 2 spoons of milk in beaker D. Stir all the contents of the 4 beakers well till they are mixed thoroughly. Prepare 4 conical flasks with each of them having a filter paper. Pour the contents of the 4 beakers into the conical flasks one after the other, allowing them to pass through the filter paper. You will notice that nothing is left on the filter papers of flasks A and B. This type of mixtures are known as solutions. In the filter paper of conical flask C, you will observe the wheat flour is left on the filter paper without passing through. These type of mixtures are known as suspensions. the filter paper of flask D, if you observe, you will find that there are no particles left. These type of mixtures are known as colloids. Now that we learned the types of mixtures, we will summarize